Good morning, how are y'all today? This is Friday and it's almost 9 o'clock. I'm still not feeling well. I was in the bed all day yesterday, so you're gonna have to excuse my stuffiness in my nose, but what I'm gonna do today, if it works, you know how when you don't feel good, nothing seems to go right, but I want to try to put these vinyl decals. I've got one already up and it didn't go where I wanted it to because whenever I put the writing up there, it was too small. So I ended up putting it over the love sign, and I'll show you here in a minute. But I'm going to be putting this "Be Your Own Kind of Beautiful" over here on this side. And then I'll have to get something equally as big to put over there on that side. So let's try to get this done without messing it up. It's up there, hopefully there to stay. It looks pretty good. This bigger one was easier to do than the one, I'm going to show you this one over here, than this one right here. That one was a little harder to do. I don't know if it was because the print is smaller or what the deal was, but I had a hard time getting that off of that cover. That one turned out pretty good. Let me back up and you can see kind of what it looks like. Okay, here's the one that I was gonna put over there, but it was too small. See how it's under that bookshelf? Excuse the ladder. I gotta clean my mess up still. And then I put the smaller one there. So now I've got to find another one and put there. Hopefully I can find it as big as that one. I seen something there I kind of vaguely remember. So I'll have to go back and look. I need to do it before they go off sale. But there it is. Okay guys, that's all I've got for you today. I was gonna do some wood burning today instead of doing this, but I just don't feel up to it. So I'm sweating like a pig now trying to do that. I think I've been running a fever through the night or something. But those are not too bad to hang. These were, let me get them. These boxes, I don't know if they're two different brands or what, but this one right here, it was easier to put on. I was looking for a name. I don't see one. This one says Stencil 1. This one was harder to put up than this one was. And I know if they're in the packages too long, well then they don't like to come off of there as easy, off of that plastic cellophane stuff. But I think if I had the choice between these two, I would pick the white one just because it was easier to get off than this one was. This one I worked pretty hard to get it off. And it could have been just because the letters were smaller. But these, if you, I don't know, if you like changing your rooms up a lot, you know, these you'll be able to take back off. You just have to kind of pick it and peel them back off if you want to change the style in the room. So it's just up to you and what you like. I was looking for some big metal words to put up there and I couldn't find any unless it was for the kitchen that said eat or I seen a welcome. But I wanted one that said joy or peace. That's what I was wanting to put up there, but I couldn't find anything like that. That's why I thought I would go with the vinyl. So it's just your choice on what you like. But I'm gonna go. I'm fixing to have to go to work and do payroll, and if I don't start feeling better, I'm gonna come back, go back to bed. So y'all have a good day. Y'all have a great weekend, and hopefully the sun is shining where you are. Bye-bye.